Hello and welcome to the PowerShell Scripting Essentials Anatomy of Logging, Developing a Logging Module course. This is the third course of the three-part PowerShell Scripting Essentials series. My goal with this series, for those who already have some experience with PowerShell, is to lead you to the next level. I've seen many people who have somehow stuck at an elementary level with PowerShell because learning the basics and start using PowerShell is easy, but going beyond that without some guidance can be difficult. With these courses, I'd like to motivate you by showing the advanced features of PowerShell that you can easily leverage, showing how you can convert your lines of code into enterprise-grade tools and how you can write professional scripts. Let's see what this course is about in detail. As I've mentioned, this course is the third element of a series, and because I count the sections continuously throughout all the three courses, this course starts with section 7. This course is about logging. In an enterprise environment, it's important to log the actions of your script. One reason is to make it possible to troubleshoot issues, detect if there were any issues, and to track the changes that your script does in your environment. So in section 7, we will start putting together a module which will have a couple of functions serving the goal to be able to write log entries into a file. So this course is sort of twofold. One side of it is teach you how to create a module, and the second is to explain you the anatomy of logging and what are the required features for that. In section 8, we will extend the capabilities of logging by introducing terminating or exiting type of log entries. That way, if there is any issue, serious issue, or if the script finished, you can just simply write a special log entry type that will also terminate your script. In that section, we will learn how to catch all types of errors and log them to the log file, even unhandled errors. And in the last section, in section 9, we will further extend our logging capabilities by involving line numbers into the log entries automatically. That extremely helps troubleshooting. We will have a progress bar function that will not just display the progress, but it also logs the progress. So you can see the performance of your script later on, looking at the log file. And lastly, we will learn how we can capture the parameter usage, and we will log that into the log file as well. As I've mentioned, this course is not for beginners. So I expect that you have already had some experience with PowerShell. You know what variables are, you can use the pipeline, you know how to use the different looping and other language elements of PowerShell. And of course, you have used the most common commandlets. I assume that you have experience in working with files. You have used get item, get child item, add content, set content, and similar commandlets. I also believe that you have already written your first scripts and functions. Some additional information. This course is based on mainly demos, so you won't really see too many slides, too many theory, but this is rather about practice. I'm going to put together the scripts and functions from scratch in front of your eyes, so you'll be able to follow how the code will be born from the ideas. of course, you can download all the scripts that I will create throughout this course. There's a version saved at the end of each video, so you can follow me along the whole course. I'd like to involve you in the process of figuring out the right expressions and the lines of code. So this course is not purely about the theory, about technical bits and pieces, but it's also about the style and about the culture of PowerShell programming. We will use Windows PowerShell, but the scripts can be used in PowerShell 7 as well, with minor or no modifications. I will use PowerShell integrated scripting environment for the demonstrations. So if you do so, no additional software is required, especially if you are on Windows. And now let the course begin.